I did not want to have to make this video. This could turn into an absolute disaster for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is right now breaking down from this symmetrical triangle with some pretty bearish divergences printing on the chart. And so today we're going to be looking at the charts, talking about whether or not this is going to lead to a significant pullback, or is this a buy the dip opportunity? So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, put on a shirt, because we are bringing you the juiciest and the most timely Bitcoin updates here on YouTube. Let's paint a little context to kind of see what is going on here with the Bitcoin price. Over the weekend, Bitcoin got an 11% rise to the upside, topping out just under $45,000. And when we put in that high, we did notice that on market Cipher B, for the first time since October 23rd, we are seeing the momentum waves and the money flow getting significantly lower on market Cipher B, giving us that dreaded upside down Sam Bankman-Fried bearish man boot pattern. And we can tell just by the look on his face hanging upside down that he's a little bit nefarious. Now, if we go ahead and simply just superimpose Sam Bankman-Fried's upside down crooked man boobs onto the chart here, we can see it literally lines up perfectly where the red pepperoni nipples are getting lower, the money flow is getting lower as the price is getting higher. And that typically does lead to a little bit of a pullback here. So is this super bearish? Well, there's two things we need to keep in mind here. The first thing is that when we zoom out, even on the 4-hour time frame, there is absolutely no sign of weakness on this chart. We have literally been making higher lows and higher highs throughout the entirety of this move to the upside. And so really, unless we take out this last higher low at $41,200, this is still, objectively speaking, a strong bullish chart. Once we take that low, then we could say maybe now we're actually reversing and we could look for a little bit of a pullback. The second thing we need to keep in mind right now is where are we currently bouncing from? We're bouncing right now from the long setup that we gave yesterday morning in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. Now, I got to give a huge shout out to the Casper Crew VIP Discord because we have absolutely been crushing these juicy long trade setups that we've been giving in advance in the community during the live streams throughout the entirety of this big move to the upside. Currently still have a number of these swing trades longs open. Very juicy profits, as you can see. But here's the deal. Right now, we have major support between the prices of about $42.2 thousand and currently where we are bouncing at right now. As long as the Bitcoin price can hold this green box, I am still looking for higher targets. However, if Bitcoin begins to lose the green box, and more specifically, if Bitcoin absolutely does start to put in a low below the last low that we had here on Monday, the last juicy long trade setup that we gave in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, then I think we could get a significant pullback for the following reasons. Reason number one, we are in fact printing a red dot on market Cipher B. As you can see in the past, this has led to a bit of a move to the downside, even in this strong uptrend. But reason number two, and I think a little bit more importantly, is the fact that over the weekend, we got a very strong breakout of this key level of resistance, $38,700, the point of control, the high volume node of the entire last bull market. This is so significant because when you get a move like this, just a massive bullish move to the upside, without any kind of retracement, without any kind of retest, it becomes unsustainable. And the way I like to trade is I don't consider a level reclaimed or broken out of until we actually come back down for a retest. And you can see there's literally no support on these daily candles until we come back to retest that high volume node. In addition to that, we do have a CME Gap right around the exact same place. So if we take a look at the Bitcoin futures chart right here, we can see that because the standard traditional futures markets do not trade over the weekend, our Friday candle closed right around $39,000, and then Bitcoin pumped over the weekend, and then on Sunday night, Monday, when the CME futures market opened up again, we opened up with a big gap to the upside, almost, $1,000, and then continued to pump. Now, a lot of times we do see these gaps fill, and if this gap does fill, it will take us right down to our key area of support, right around that $39,000 level, which now we have a massive confluence in which we can look for a larger move to the upside. So if we start to see the market structure change, where we start to make lower lows on the 1 hourly time frame, then I do think we do need to be prepared for another move to the downside, which in turn will give us a higher low in this very strong uptrend in which we can also look for our next major target around that $50,000 Bitcoin. So really, guys, we just need to be watching our green box right here. This is going to be our major local support. As long as we can hold this level, I am still going to be holding and or adding to my long trades, looking for higher targets. But if we start to lose this level and break market structure on these lower time frames, I will actually be looking for a larger pullback down to around $39,000. And by the way, if you want to join the Casper Crew VIP Discord, where we do live streams every single day, multiple live streams a day, giving our setups, giving our levels. We actually even have a mini course within the Discord for beginners, teaching you how to set up your risk management, your strategy so that you don't lose money. You can go to jasoncaspertrading.com. Go ahead and click the link to join the VIP Discord. And if you want to get educated, guys, like the courses we have, where I show you how I actually made $25,000 in a month, scalping the lower time frames, as well as many other comprehensive trading courses. We've got all that at jasoncaspertrading.com. In addition, guys, if you want to trade cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and altcoins, I highly recommend you check out MEXC because the fees are absolutely unbeatable. 0% limit order fees, 0.01 to 0.02 taker order fees. Because the fees are so low, we're actually able to scalp those very low time frames. Links for all this, guys, in the comment, pinned, and the description if you are interested. All right, guys, that is it for today's Bitcoin update. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell, put on a dang shirt. Jason, why are you not wearing a shirt? How are we going to take you seriously if you're walking on a treadmill with no shirt? Well, guys, this ain't no financial advice, all right? Just guy on YouTube, shirtless on the dang treadmill. May God bless you all. In the name of Jesus, Yeshua, the Messiah, even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed. And I'll see everybody in the next video. Peace!